Yo, what's up, fellow survivors? If you're anything like me, you've been glued to the news lately. Wildfires raging out of control, floods in places you wouldn't believe, and don't even get me started on the supply chain issues. It feels like the world is one rogue asteroid away from a full-blown apocalypse, doesn't it? Well, fear not, my friends, because today we're talking about taking control of our destiny, one seed packet at a time. That's right, we're diving deep into the 9 absolute must-have crops for your very own apocalypse garden. We're focusing on crops that deliver the calorie punch you need to keep going, plus all the good stuff to keep you healthy and strong. Oh, and stick around to the end for a bonus category that might just save your taste buds from utter boredom. First up, we've got beans, the undisputed champions of the survival garden. These little guys are like protein-packed nuggets of resilience. We're talking black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, you name it, we're growing it. Bush beans are your go-to for a quick and easy harvest, perfect for those instant gratification moments. But if you're playing the long game, pole beans are where it's at. They'll climb anything you give them, maximizing your yield in a tight space. And the best part? Beans are like the gift that keeps on giving. You can dry them out for long-term storage, ensuring you've got a protein source all year round. Beans are nitrogen-fixing superstars, meaning they actually improve your soil as they grow. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kevin, beans are great and all, but they can be a little, shall we say, musical. And you're not wrong, but trust me, the nutritional benefits far outweigh any potential for, atmospheric changes. So, there you have it, folks. Beans, your protein-packed, nitrogen-fixing, apocalypse-busting secret weapon. Get these bad boys in the ground and rest assured you'll be fueled up and ready for anything. Moving on to another heavy hitter in the apocalypse garden. Corn. Now, I'm not talking about the sugary sweet corn you find at the supermarket. We're going for the real deal here, folks. Dent corn. This is the workhorse of the corn world, the one that's going to keep you going when the going gets tough. You can grind it into cornmeal for tortillas, bread, and even a mean batch of apocalypse pancakes. You can pop it for a salty snack that'll make you forget all about those cheesy puffs you used to love. And of course, you can eat it straight off the cob, roasted over an open fire. Talk about primal satisfaction. Once dried, this stuff can last for years, providing you with a reliable source of carbohydrates and energy no matter what the world throws your way. Corn and beans are like the ultimate survivalist power couple. They complement each other perfectly, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs to thrive. So, there you have it. Dent corn, the survivalist's grain. It's versatile, it stores like a dream, and it pairs perfectly with those apocalypse-busting beans. Get it in the ground, folks, and rest assured, you'll be fueled up and ready for anything. Squash, the unsung hero of the apocalypse garden. Now, when I say squash, I'm talking specifically about winter squash, those big, beautiful behemoths like butternut, acorn, and spaghetti squash. These guys are like the ultimate survival food. They're packed with nutrients, they store like a dream, and they can even help you save precious space in your post-apocalyptic garden. Winter squash is a natural climber, just like those pole beans we talked about earlier. Plant them at the base of your corn stalks and watch them vine their way up, creating a beautiful symbiotic trifecta known as the Three Sisters. These nutritional powerhouses are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive in a post-apocalyptic world. Plus, their mild, slightly sweet flavor makes them incredibly versatile in the kitchen. And the best part? Winter squash can be stored for months without any fancy equipment. Just keep them in a cool, dry place and you'll have a delicious and nutritious food source all winter long. So, there you have it, winter squash, the space-saving, nutrient-packed, soul-soothing survival food. Get these bad boys in the ground, and rest assured, you'll be feasting like kings and queens, even in the midst of an apocalypse. Let's talk about a vegetable that's often overlooked but deserves a prime spot in your apocalypse garden. Cabbage. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse. It's incredibly easy to grow, and it's the undisputed king of preservation. Cabbage is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse that can help boost your immune system and keep you healthy in a post-apocalyptic world. Plus, it's incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can eat it raw, cooked, fermented, you name it. This leafy green can be fermented into sauerkraut, a tangy, probiotic-rich condiment that can last for months, even years, without refrigeration. And the best part? Making sauerkraut is surprisingly easy. All you need is cabbage, salt, and a little bit of patience. Cabbage is also incredibly easy to grow. It's a cool season crop, which means you can plant it in early spring or late summer, and it'll thrive even in less than ideal conditions. Plus, it's relatively pest-resistant, making it a low-maintenance option for your apocalypse garden. So, there you have it. Cabbage, the nutritional powerhouse, the fermentation champion, the easy-to-grow survival food. Get this leafy green in the ground, and rest assured you'll be well-fed and well-preserved, even in the midst of an apocalypse. Everyone's favorite starchy friend, the potato. Potatoes are a survival garden staple for a reason. They're easy to grow, they store like a dream, and they're packed with calories and nutrients to keep you going when the going gets tough. Potatoes are an excellent source of carbohydrates, providing your body with the energy it needs to power through those post-apocalyptic adventures. They're also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, making them a well-rounded nutritional powerhouse. You can boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about everyone's favorite comfort food, French fries. And the best part? Potatoes are incredibly easy to grow. You can plant them from seed potatoes, which are basically just sprouted potatoes. Or you can even try your hand at growing them from the eyes of store-bought potatoes. Once you've got your potatoes planted, they're relatively low maintenance. Just keep them watered, hilled up with soil as they grow, and be on the lookout for pests. So, there you have it. Potatoes, the calorie-packed, easy-to-grow, culinary chameleons of the survival garden. Get these starchy superstars in the ground and rest assured you'll be well-fed and well-prepared for whatever the apocalypse throws your way. A leafy green that's often hailed as a superfood, kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It's incredibly easy to grow, and it can even thrive in the face of adversity, making it a perfect addition to your apocalypse garden. Kale is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and fiber. This leafy green is also a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. And the best part? Kale is incredibly easy to grow. It's a cool season crop, which means you can plant it in early spring or late summer, and it'll thrive even in less than ideal conditions. Once you've got your kale planted, it's relatively low maintenance. Just keep it watered, fertilize it occasionally, and be on the lookout for pests. So there you have it. Kale, the nutrient-dense, easy-to-grow, apocalypse-ready superfood. Get this leafy green in the ground and rest assured you'll be well-nourished and well-prepared for whatever the world throws your way. A versatile root vegetable, the sweet potato. They thrive in warm climates but can grow in various regions. Sweet potatoes are a great source of carbohydrates and vitamins. Enjoy them baked, roasted, fried, or mashed. They're easy to grow from slips. Even the greens are edible and nutritious. Sweet potatoes deserve a spot in your garden. A tiny but mighty legume that packs a serious nutritional punch, the lentil. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, iron, and magnesium. They're versatile in the kitchen and easy to grow, even in less than ideal conditions. Get these tiny but mighty legumes in the ground, and you'll be well-fed and well-prepared. Let's not forget about the importance of flavor in survival. Herbs add freshness and complexity to your diet, plus many offer medicinal benefits. Rosemary thrives in sunny spots and flavors meats and soups. Lavender is calming and great for tea. Basil is essential for Italian cuisine. Dill adds a refreshing flavor to dishes. Thyme is versatile and aromatic. Oregano is a must-have herb. Sage is perfect for stuffing and vegetables. Get these herbs in the ground and be well prepared. So there you have it, my fellow apocalypse preppers. 9 essential crops to jumpstart your journey towards self-sufficiency. But hey, this is just the beginning. I want to hear from you. What are your must-have crops for weathering the storm? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Let's build a community of thriving survivors. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of the apocalypse garden. Remember, knowledge is power, and the ability to grow your own food is the ultimate form of self-reliance. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and cultivate that survival spirit. Good luck in the garden. Keep surviving, and I'll see you on the next video.